Hello, darlings, it's Auntie Ivana. Real First Lady, not Third Lady like some people I know. Boy, do I have a treat and a deal for you today. Little blobs, I'm getting very close to you. Look over Auntie Ivana's shoulder. Do you see what I see? First, our favorite son-in-law in entire world, yes, Jereb, but that is not why I'm here. Look, do you see the Lysa? Do you see the ammonia? Do you see the bleach? Guess where this is going, darlings? Darlings? Did you see my Donald's presser last night? Wow! Wasn't that something? Listen, if Dr. Trump believes that we can inject cells with disinfectant to battle the coronavirus, then I, Auntie Ivana, and all of us at the House of Ivana are here to help you. Darlings, I know what you're asking. Ivana, how can you be to the helping of us disinfecting ourselves by injecting ourselves? Just for today, I'm offering delectable injectables. Who doesn't like chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry? Everybody. So darlings, I have prepared these in 3 flavors. That's right. Delectable injectables come in 3 flavors: Lysol, ammonia, and bleach. Darlings, let me tell you about my wonderful product, the Delectable Injectables. Number 1, notice convenient sized, pocket sized. For example, you're busy, you're on the go. What are you doing? For example, you're on your way to a rally at the state capitol to say, open up the country, right? You don't have a mask, no problem. That's where a delectable injectable comes into play. Either put it in your pocket or just tuck it away in your AK-47 case. Boom, there it is. You've got it handy. Or your assault weapon holster. I don't know if you have AK-47 or purse or whatever, or holster like Western style cowboy maybe. You could just, there it's convenient because you're on the go. Darlings, what else? What else can I tell you about my delectable injectables? Well, I've taken out all of the guesswork. You don't have to weigh, you don't have to measure, you don't have to calculate anything. You certainly don't have to think about the metric system. Wow, totally communist system anyway. You know that, don't you, darlings? Well, I mean, really, would you be measuring out a milliliter of bleach? Or would you be measuring out a millimeter of ammonia? Or would you be measuring out a millipeter of the other Lysol? Darlings, I've taken out all of the guesswork. Let Auntie Ivana do it for you. By the way, makes great Mother's Day gift. Auntie Ivana, how do we use it? Darlings, it's like EpiPen. You just take it and I don't know if you can see, just take little thing off top for each of them. You go boom. And then you just like go like that and you just stab yourself and pop and boom. Delectable Injectable has done the job. Darlings, you're worried. I can see, you know, there's a little pin at the end of this. You poke, you prick, you inject. It's safe. It's so safe. Really though? Auntie Ivana, is it really safe? I mean, it is actually filled with ammonia, bleach, and Lysol. And I'm literally injecting it into my body to presumably disinfect my blood and, according to Donald, my lungs. Darlings, listen. If my Donald says it's safe, what do you have to lose? What do you have to lose? Probably even he'll be taking it. Approved by the FDA, you ask? Not necessary, because Donald's in charge. Darlings, don't run away just yet, because there's more. Darlings, with Auntie Ivana, there's always more. When you order now, I'm gonna give you the carrying case. And look so closely. You open it up. This is for when you're at a rally or something, or, and you go, oh, look, you have it there. You got the one filled with the Lysol. You got the one filled with the ammonia. You got the other one filled with the bleach. Boom, so convenient. And guess what Auntie Ivana does? I'm gonna throw in little alcohol pad so that before you inject yourself with the delectable injectable, you can put little pad there to clean off your fluff blob germs on your belly. And then you just put it back in, close it up, zip it up, and go, I'm out of here. And off to Donald Rally. Toot, toot, toot. But wait, there's more. Darlings, I'm going to throw in a Sharps container. That's right. Darlings, I want you to be very safe when you are injecting the bleach, the ammonia, the Lysol, or whatever disinfectant it is that my Donald, comes up with. You need to stay so safe when you discard of your delectable injectables. Ivana, how much does all of these cost? Darlings, just for today, just for the next 24 hours, this deal can be yours for the low price of $300 US. That's right, 3 delectable injectables, a carrying case, remember, for your rallies and convenience, and a Sharps container, all for $300 US. But you must call one number and one number only. What is it, darlings? You know what it is. It's one Go Ivana. Do you want that number again? I know you do. It's one Go Ivana. Act now, darlings. Don't wait. Goodbye, fluff blobs. I will see you next time. Here's looking at you. Be very careful injecting your disinfectants. Just take it in your arm. Look at this, huh? There, boom, done. Bleach, disinfectant, good to go. Delectable injectables. Totally safe. Totally safe.